Hello and welcome to another video of beginner series, and we are learning Power BI here. And today we are going to learn a few functions in Power Query. So let's jump onto the Power BI first and let's try to see what do you plan to learn. So I have this one my file where I'm working right now, and here in the home tab we have this option transform data, and again we click come to transform data, we come here, and then here under the home tab we have few options, but the options we are interested in is under the transform tab. And in the transform tab we have few information functions which we wanted to use: is odd, is even, is I sign, and all those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a little bit of data here itself, and that's also how you can learn how can you do that if you have not seen our enter data video. So that's an opportunity. So here on the home tab there is an option for enter data, and I'm going to do is here I'm going to simply enter a few numbers: 1 2 3 4, and then let me enter a few numbers like 0 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, and let's call this as data. Okay, and save it. Now we got this table. Now what we are going to do here is we go to the transform tab, and under the transform tab we go on the information. Right now this is 1 2 3 fourth on the right. We click on the information, the small arrow. Don't click directly on that, otherwise the default option will execute, and we check is even. So as soon as you check is even, it's giving you true and false. So you can see we have column like this: is first one is odd and second one is even, and then we have negative numbers, so we can check it here: false, true, false, true. Then we have a 0 which is true, true again. Negative number was there, -4. This is true, true, true. Okay, now we come back here, we cross this one. So this is we have tested is even, and you can use it wherever you want. And then I go to is odd. Now in is odd we know the first one was odd, 1 2 was not, 3 is there, 4 is not there, 0 is not there. Then we let's look what was there at the sixth. We can go back to this step. Sixth is -4, so -4 is not there, and then -3 is there, -2 and -1. So this is, we got it. Now again we can do, or I can do one thing. I'll tell you one more technique so we make it easy. We go here and we duplicate the column. Okay, and let me show you. So add column, there's option duplicate column, and let me show you is even. So 1 is false, 2 true, 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 false, false. Then we go, and then you can cross this, and when we say is odd, true, false, correct, false, false, true, true. Now we come to the last option, which is information sign. Okay, so +1, +1, 1, 1. Now 0, interestingly, it gives sign as 0, neither positive nor negative, and then -1, -1, -1. So this is how we get this information. So is even, is odd, and what is the sign? You can use these three functions in Power Query. So go ahead and try these things out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.